Welcome. This is Pam's Paper Place, and I have been working on this Boho Gypsy type journal, but I have a bit of an issue. It has 5 signatures sewn in really nice, and guess what? Look how fat it is. I mean, I'll show you if I can get it all in. And it's not, I have more things to do, charms and things, but I think what I'm going to have to do is take it apart and make a couple books with it because, look, it won't even shut. So, I had this signature 5, so I'll kind of, flip through it kind of quick, but I am going to have to take it apart and make a couple journals, maybe even 3, because I'll show you the first signature when I get to it. Okay, we are not quite there. That's the first signature, so that would be this big, which isn't that big. So I think I'm going to, where's the second signature? Here's the second signature. So once I, add charms and more ruffles and things, I think this will be one journal, and then I'll have to make a new cover. So the beginning of this one is here. And of course, I'll show you more when I finish it. But I just thought I'd show you, and I think that's the only way to go because yeah, it just got too big. But when you add a lot of, embellishments and laces and, things, it does chunk up. And I thought 5 signatures would be enough, but yeah, there's just a lot. So, and they, all have unique things in them. So I'm going to take this apart and have this as one journal. Then I think the next one, this one, will be another journal. I'm not done yet. Got charms and a few things, dangly bits, and so this will be maybe the second journal. I have to ink a little bit too yet. So that's this signature. So this would be the next book, or part of, it would be the one signature. Here would be the second. And I have 5, so I think I would have to add one more signature to the last one if there are 5. So I'd use 2 signatures for one, 2 signatures for the second one, and then the last remaining one out of the 5, I'd have to add another signature, so that would have 2 also. So then this would be the second So that would mean these two would be one signature. I mean, would be one journal right here. So those two are still going to be quite full. And then this last one, I would have to make another signature to make the third journal. That means I gotta, you know, sew everything in again and make 3 covers, but that's okay. It just doesn't work how I have it, so. But, yeah. So they will all be 3 unique journals. And then this would be one signature here. And then, oh, it looks kind of dark. Oops. Uh-oh, now this is going to fall over. So then I would just need to add one to that one. Let's see if I can brighten it up. Okay, so I just wanted to show you my dilemma. So, looks like I'll be making 3 boho journals instead of the 1 because, look, I mean, yeah, unless this would be a coffee book, you know, keeping it open like that. But that's not going to work because here, as you can see, it's got lots of stuff. Is this going to fall over? Yeah. So, yeah, I thought I'd show you that. I'm going to be working on these a little bit longer, taking them apart today. Excuse me, and making 3 journals. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm going to be working on. And thanks for watching. Bye now.